This question is from UPSC CSC 2021. Consider the following animals: hedgehog, marmot, and pangolin. To reduce the chance of being captured by predators, which of the above animals roll up and protect its their vulnerable parts? Options are A 1 and 2, B 2 only, C 3 only, D 1 and 3. So let's decode it first. Rolling up into tight ball is a defense behavior to protect soft vulnerable body parts. For example, belly. Hedgehog roll up into tight ball. They have spikes on their back. When attacked, they curl into a tight ball. They are nocturnal and they are not a rodent. ध्यान दीजिए दोनों point. They are very limited in India. They are especially found in northwestern side. For example, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Haryana, and Punjab. Their habitat is desert and grassland, and they avoid forest and wetland. ये point ध्यान रखिएगा. Porcupine have spikes, but they can't curl into a tight ball. They throw its spikes to protect from predators. Hedgehog and porcupine look similar, but they are not same. Hedgehog is a rare and region specific, while porcupine is a common and widespread in India. Hedgehog can roll up, but porcupine can't roll up. Hedgehog is not a rodent, but porcupine is a rodent. रोडेंट उसे बोलते हैं जिसे जिनके आगे का दांत हमेशा बढ़ता रहता है. मरमोट, जिसे हिंदी में पहाड़ी चूहा कहते हैं, डज नॉट रोल अप इनटू ए टाइट बॉल टू प्रोटेक्ट इट्स सॉफ्ट बॉडी पार्ट. मरमोट डज नॉट रोल अप इनटू ए टाइट बॉल, but their defense strategy is loud alarm call, running into burrow, standing on hind legs to watch for predators. Indian marmot found in Himalayan region like Ladakh, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh, and their habitat is high latitude Himalayan region. Marmot is a rodent, ये ध्यान रखिएगा. Pangolin roll up into a tight ball. They covered with hard keratinous scales. When attacked, they curl into a tight ball, protecting its soft belly. This defense is so effective that even lions can't open a curled pangolin. सोचिए. And they are nocturnal, means they are active in night, and their habitat is forest and grassland. Two pangolin species found in India: Indian pangolin found in Western Ghats and Central India. IUCN status is endangered. Chinese pangolin found in Northeast India and Himalayan foothill. IUCN status is critically endangered. Both pangolin are protected under Schedule 1 of Wildlife Protection Act 1972. Pangolin is among the most trafficked mammals globally. So the correct option is D 1 and 3.